If your research or engineering projects are falling behind, EEprogrammer.com can help you get them back on track without exploding your budget. Let us know what you need. You'll find relief here. Visit EEprogrammer.com. We can help you.
This is Marco Wu from EEprogrammer.com. Today I'm going to talk about how can we read some data from internet. Like for example, we want to read a table from internet and then do the data analysis. How can we read the table? Now there is a function you can download it called urlreadtable. That is like you can download it from MATLAB file exchange. Now what is good for this function? Number one is created by MATLAB MacWorks staff, so the quality is very good. Number two is very simple to use. I'm going to use coinmarketcap.com as a sample. So I read that, I get the H. The H is a 1 by 1 cell. Now let's see what happens. Now if I read the H 1, 1, the result, the ANS, the answer is a table. So what inside H 1, 1 is a table. Now, but a table, how can we use it? There is a few table function. Now, for example, table to cell. Let's see whether we want to use this function. Maybe I should use another function. Let me double check. Okay. So let's do it again. H1 is a table. The answer you see is 100 by 9 table. And then now I use J. J equal to H1. So J is also a 100 by 9 table. It's a table. So how can we get those data from the table? I call KK is equal to table to array. So I convert the J, the table, to KK to 100 by 9 cell. Okay, so that is total 900 cells. And then I read, okay, for example, now if I read K5, it will just like come up with those numbers. Now, but because there's a 2D matrix, we need to read a 2D element. So 5,2, Nikon. Okay, 5,3. You see that is a big number. This is a string, right? With a dollar sign in the front with comma between to separate the numbers. So we cannot really able to do analysis by reading this string. So how can we do it? I call it a little GG is the string. Okay. So GG is the string. Now I want to replace the dollar sign. Now, I do string replace. Like GG is the input and also is the output, so it will overwrite to the original GG. Now I remove the comma. Okay, so you see now GG is a number. Now GG is GG is now a string with no comma and dollar sign. Now I call QQ. QQ I use the function string to num. Now this QQ is a pure number. Now I can do add a subtract from this QQ. Let's see. The QQ is 4.5936 e to the 10th. Now I minus a big number. Now it's 4.0936 e to the 9th. Okay? So that is how you use this function.